How to comment on fandom. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a comment on fandom. So if you'd like to leave a comment on a fandom post or article, ensure you watch this video to the end. So on this page, the first step is to log in into your own page. Okay, so once you are logged in into your fandom account, you can see different posts, different wiki pages. So for you to leave a comment, all you need to do is to select the page that you'd like to leave a comment for. Then once you've selected the page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Okay, just scroll down. So by the time you scroll down on this page, you will see that there are no options for you to drop your comments, and that is because this is a story and not a page. So we now go back now to the actual fandom page and then select a page instead. As you can see, popular pages, wiki pages in movies. So you can just select a page instead of selecting so on this page now you can see different writings. By the time you scroll down to the last part of the page, you'll see different comments as well. So for you to drop your comments, all you need to do is to move to the top right side of the page screen where you can see search option, and then you can see the discuss option. So as you can see, you just click on it, and then you can see the option what is on your mind. You can see other people's comments here, so you can just go ahead, click on this option, share your thoughts, and then you can make use of this text option to edit your comments or share a link or even add a picture. And then once you're done, click on next, and then from there you'll be directed on how you can drop your comment. So this is how it works. This is how you can comment on fandom. Thanks for watching and have a good day.